are a parent of a preschool age child, then I believe that I am holding something which you would be really interested in. What I am holding is concept practice sheets designed specifically for the preschoolers. Berry Garden's concept practice sheets are designed for 3 levels. Soft Berry for children of 2.5 years to 3.5 years of age. Sweet Berry for children of 3.5 years to 4.5 years of age. And then Smart Berry, which is for ages 4.5 to 5.5 years of age. Now, why do I say that as a preschool child's parent you should be interested in? You see, for preschoolers, the learning which has to take place is divided into 3 parts, 3 areas: numeracy, literacy, and general awareness. Numeracy is about learning about the numbers, learning about the names of the numbers, learning the shapes of the numbers, and learning the basic simple mathematical operations. Literacy is about the alphabets, learning about the shapes of the alphabets, the sounds of the alphabets, blending of the alphabets, making words of the alphabets. General awareness, which is about learning about the world around them, learning about the colors, learning about the body parts, seasons, clothes, good habits, bad habits, learning about the domestic animals, wild animals, etc. Each concept practice sheet book is divided into these three areas. If I look inside, I will see that there are literacy worksheets, then there are numeracy worksheets, and then there is general awareness worksheets. I talk about the first level, that is Soft Berry, 2.5 to 3.5 years of age. At this level, the child has just started holding the pen. The child has started learning about the alphabets. They have started learning about the numbers and the basic things they look around themselves. They have started recognizing their body parts. They have started learning the names of the body parts, the colors. This is exactly what we are giving the practice of in this level. Each worksheet has space to write the name, space to write the date. The mentor, the teacher, or whoever is guiding the child, if he or she wishes to assess how the child has attempted the sheet, he can easily do it with this very simple, smooth and sweet grading system which says good, average, good or excellent. These worksheets are perforated and can be easily taken out, which enables the mentor to keep a record of these worksheets and record the progress of the child. Each concept practice sheet is filled with age-appropriate fun learning activities. Activities like joining the dots, join the dots to make the alphabets, join the dots to make the words, coloring activities, joining the numbers, puzzles, mazes. In short, the child learns along with having fun. I'm sure that your child is also taking online classes. But ask yourself this, is that enough? Is your child getting enough practice of the concepts he is learning through these online classes? If the answer is no, you know what to do.